Alright, today we're going to be looking at how to reset the oil light on a 2018 F-150. So here, this model here, we have the small LCD and dash. It's a 2018 F-150 XLT. It's the 302A package. So after you get an oil change or you change the oil yourself, you're going to have to reset the oil light back so it's not popping up. To do that, what you need to do is navigate through your screen here. You're going to want to come and use these selectors. You're going to go to Settings and then Advanced Settings. To get into the advanced settings, you have to either be stopped with the key on or you have to have the car running. You're not able to navigate through this area unless you are not moving. Next, after you go through advanced settings, you're going to want to go to the vehicle and then oil life reset. You can see here my oil life is currently at 72%. So to reset it back to 100%, you need to hold the button here, and you'll see on the bottom it's going to pop up resetting. So I just changed my oil. I wanted to change it at 3,000 miles to show this, and when you hold it, it should automatically reset back to 100%. So now that you're in this screen, you want to hold the OK button on the left pad, and what it will do, it'll reset the oil life all the way back to 100%. So as you saw previously, we were at 72%, and now we're back at 100%. So you should do this anytime that you change your oil. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.